Yo, what's up guys? Welcome back. Welcome back to my channel. Welcome back to another video, another install video. For this time it's for the STI, and it's just a little minor thing. I have decided that I'm gonna start buying some engine dress up for the car. I already have some, but I'm gonna change it up a little bit. I'm gonna put, first off, starting with this one, which I'll show you guys in a little bit, but I also want to start putting more, changing some of the red, making it less red, but I will be keeping the intercooler, the strut bar, and the MBR brace bar in the front red, and then everything else it's gonna go carbon fiber or black. So if I can't find it in carbon fiber, it's going in black, except for the Renegade cap set. That's gonna stay red, and the piping's gonna stay red. So I just kind of want to make it less red, I guess you should say. But starting with this part, and then we'll see how that looks on the car, and then I'll decide to start adding more carbon fiber. But let's go ahead and show you guys what I got in this box. All right guys, well, this one is from MBR Motorsports. That's where I got the brace bar in the front. Everybody keeps asking me. This brace in the front of the grill is by these guys. It fits perfect with most intercoolers, especially the Green Speed one. Let me just open this up so I can show you guys the new parts that I'm gonna be doing to the engine bay. Everything is going carbon fiber. It's not gonna be necessary MBR performance because I don't think they sell most of the parts in carbon fiber, but I'm gonna do maybe some cob or some other ones, so we'll see. But let me just get them out of the box real quick. Comes with, oh look, it comes with another little jet tag. You can put this one, take the other one, and give it away to somebody. Comes with this instructions, so put this box out of the way. So yeah, start with this one. You can already tell what these are. There it is. These are the fender, carbon fiber fender vents. I will be replacing these with the pair of ones I have right there. So yeah, I don't know, I just kind of want to make it less red, because obviously you can see all the red everywhere, so I want to switch that. I want to switch this parent one, and then probably get a black parent one if I can't find a carbon fiber boost cylinder to cover. So yeah, definitely want to start doing carbon fiber. This one is easy install. It uses the same holes that are in your stock one. All you gotta do is put them on. This one already comes with all the vents already attached, which is pretty cool. I thought I had to put them on and do cutting and stuff, but yeah, looks good. And then also it's gonna be vent, so it'll vent out through the S209 style vent that I have on the fender. That's pretty cool. So yeah, let me just put these on and show you guys how they look. Alright guys, well there it is. Got the MBR carbon fiber fender shrouds. Looks really good. I'm actually definitely gonna do everything else carbon fiber that I talked about in the beginning of the video. I definitely like it. Definitely looks good with the wrap, and also everything is concentrated towards the middle of the car. So yeah, looks really good, especially matches the everything else that's carbon fiber. But yeah, looking at it face to face, definitely looks good. What do you guys think? Carbon fiber the engine bay, or go back to the parent red? I don't think I'm gonna go back, guys. But yeah, definitely gonna swap out the parent and the other parent, and then get those carbon fiber. That way you can just look at the Grimspeed intercooler, Grimspeed blow-off valve, bypass valve, the IAG oil separator, and then all the other stuff. I'm pretty sure there's a carbon fiber piece like this one, but I don't want it to cover this, so we'll see if I can find one. But yeah, overall looks good. What do you guys think? Just gotta ceramic coat everything, the two shrouds, and then I still gotta ceramic coat the APR splitter, the roof, and the rear spats, because I still haven't done that. And then I want to give another coating to the wheels, because yeah, definitely needs one, because I think I only did one coat, but everything else, the rest of the car, the spoiler, the hood, everything else is already ceramic coated, and I ceramic coated it twice, so looks good. But yeah, overall, what do you guys think? I like it, looks really well. But yeah, overall, I think the car is looking really well. Can't wait to do more carbon fiber engine bay stuff there. And then and then also I got another part for the wrx coming this week, and then one more for the STI, which I'm still waiting on. There's like a 3 or 4 week thing that I have to wait for, so yeah, so just stay tuned for more install videos. But overall, let me know what you guys think of the car, and I'll talk to you guys on the next one. Peace out.